is Phase here, and all the good food. I'm at my camp. They even have.
Take it up with me.
You take a packet and I'll take a packet.
I had an egg roll before. I'm just waiting on these cupcakes.
It's called two soccer butterscotch.
Right.
I love pepperoni.
Are you done?
Where's your napkin? Do you see the black stuff?
No.
Really? What are you guys doing?
No, stop it.
I have no trash to throw in there. My dad.
What do you think?
Are you filming this?
Yeah, I'm gonna put it on YouTube.
Fire.
I haven't
What?
shown
It's a
anyone's
good way of
faces.
burning stuff. It creates smoke.
Nice.
Oh,
Everybody back. It's like a yellow smoke bomb. No,
Don't
leave
touch
it.
that or you're gonna burn your hand off. There's a
Yeah, there's just fire on there. Which ways? I love this. We even have this is a fun camp and everything. This field smells really nice out for Phase Clan stuff. People eating. I don't want to show their faces. I just like to show their food.
I don't know one thing. He didn't know where the trash came. I didn't see trash right after the fireplace. Everyone's okay, crap. That's right. They're big in their stomach.
Eggs.
The bigger kids. Stop. Keep on filming the fire. Keep on filming the fire. Our people have. Hey,
I don't want to show you. I don't want to show your face on YouTube. So I'm looking down at
every people, two people, one person was